Hi all. In this video, I will show you how to preview the CC camera viewing in Chrome browser. No need to install different types of camera softwares in your computer. Just single solution for all type of brand camera preview using simply Chrome extension. So now, let's get in the computer screen. You can see the page was blank. Click the new tab and 3 dots menu and find the extension and then click View in Chrome Web Store. Search for iTab and install it. Please follow the same, shown in the video. You have to install Little Plugin. It's automatically download once click the IE tab. That's it, you all done. Now check the preview is visible or not. Enter the camera IP and then click IE tab from extension section. It'll restart the page after you can log in. Here see iTab URL bar. So you threw the iTab successfully. Yes, it's working. You can see different type of CC cameras as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.